Howdy y'all, Willie Downs here with Atlas Backyard Sheds. I'm here at our headquarters in Tyler, Texas, where today we're going to talk about repos, an often overlooked opportunity when it comes to saving a lot of money when buying a shed, cabin, tiny house, or even a deck. So in a moment, we're going to walk around the lot and we're going to look at some of our repo inventory to see what options you may have to save money when buying one of these products. And if you stick around to the end of the video, we're going to go inside this ugly duckling right here that we just got in stock. Now inside this thing, it's fully finished out. It's a tiny house. It's been finished out, and I'm going to tell you guys, it's rough, it's ugly, and it needs some TLC. But it's going to offer a great opportunity for someone to save a lot of money if they're willing to put in the elbow grease. So stick around for that, and let's go take a look at what we got, guys. Repos are a common occurrence in the shed industry because we do a lot of rent to own. And with rent to own, occasionally customers are unable to make their payments for a variety of circumstances. But what that means is their product gets picked up and it gets dropped off at one of our sales lots. And what that means for you is that you're able to really save a lot of money on one of these products. Like I said, it might be a shed, a cabin, a tiny house, or a deck. And really these products can show up on our lot in a wide range of conditions because maybe they were living in it. Maybe they were using it to store animals, believe it or not. Or maybe they were just using it for basic storage. So sometimes it might need a few cosmetic repairs, while other times it's in great shape and really indistinguishable from a brand new building. And the opportunities are there. You know, you can save great money and really you can get into a nice building. So I'm about to show you a 16 by 40 that we had. Now this one has been sold. It sold a couple days ago. It's waiting to be delivered, but it shows you the opportunities that are there to be had. So let's take a look. So this 16 by 40 repo is in really good shape, and it was actually sold a couple days ago. So it's obviously not available at this moment, but we actually get product like this fairly often. So it's definitely worth talking to a sales rep and really kind of getting on that list. So if something does show up like this, you're the first to know about it. I mean, think about what you could do with this. You could buy this building right here and turn it into a little home. And you'll see here at the end of the video, if you stick around, when we go inside that ugly blue building, that it's easy to be done. You can put walls up, put a bathroom, a bedroom, a living room, and you can really make one of these things nice. Now the blue one is not nice. It needs some work, but it can be done. And really we've seen some fantastic examples of customers that have taken one of these and made them a true home, made them absolutely beautiful. So the opportunities are there, guys. So here you go, 16 by 40. Let's go see what else is out there. It's worth mentioning that right now we are offering an additional 10% off on all of our repo inventory. So we're on the Tyler lot today, but we have 7 lots and each one of them have inventory of repos. So definitely reach out to us and let us know if you're interested, because I'm sure that we can find the perfect building for you regardless of what you're looking for. So let's take a look at this bargain barn here. So this is a 10 by 12 bargain barn. And when I said sometimes people use them to store animals, well, this is a good example of that right here. When we picked this up, it was full of hay, bales of hay, and had sheep in it. Believe it or not, real live sheep. And the floor was quite disgusting as well. So we actually, we did some serious cleaning on it. We scrubbed it. We used some bleach and cleaned that floor. And honestly, at this point, you can hardly tell it was ever used for that. And it looks much better. But it's another example of a building that that is in pretty good shape, and you can really save quite a bit of money on. So definitely worth checking out. Now, if you are a hunter and you love to hunt, or maybe you have some land and you've been wanting to get a hunting cabin, this one is for you. You're gonna love it. Let's take a look. So maybe the red's not for everybody, but I love this red cabin. This is something unique, and it is actually a repo, believe it or not. So let's take a look here. So very similar to the 16 by 40 we looked at a little earlier. The possibilities for this are endless. You could use it as a shell and just use it for storage in a workshop or something to that effect, or you can finish it out, insulate it, put walls up, and turn it into a legitimate cabin out on your property. So possibilities are there. Really, it's up to you what you do with it. And if you're willing to get a repo instead of buying brand new, you can save a significant amount of money. All right, let's go see what else is out there. Two of our more popular style buildings are going to be our classic lofted barn and our pro lofted barn, because they both come with lofts, which is very handy when it comes to storing seasonal items like Christmas and Thanksgiving or Halloween, and we sell a lot of these. So right here, I have a really nice 12 by 24 classic barn. Let's take a look. So this is a 12 by 24 classic barn. It comes with the two windows, and this one actually has a walk-in door. Now, typically these are gonna come with double doors, but since this is a repo and someone else had it built and designed, they put a walk-in door on it. So as you see, it has a loft here and has a loft over there, which is perfect, like I said, for storing a variety of items. Now, overall, this building is pretty clean. It's in great shape. It does have some stains there on the floor where it's a little dirty. I would imagine that could be cleaned up fairly easily, but that is there. But like I said, overall, it's a pretty clean building. I don't see any major issues with it, no major damage, but it is a great opportunity to get one of these buildings and save a good amount of money. So let's see what else is out there. Now here's an oddball little building. It's not very big and has a little window that's a little oddly placed there up against the wall, but hey, somebody thought that was a good idea, and maybe that's for you. So let's take a look here. It does shed some light in here, so it brightens this up. So depending on what you're using it for, maybe you want some light inside the building. This isn't very big. It's an 8 by 8. So perfect for just basic storage needs. Yeah, what do you think? That would be what we call our economy. So it's an 8 by 8 economy with a window. I like it. I like the color on that too. What do you think? All right, y'all, I think it's time. Are y'all ready to go take a look at the inside of this big, blue, ugly, tiny house? I think you're gonna find it very interesting. It's, whoever had it before, you can tell that they tried to make it a home, but it definitely needs some work. And I have some ideas and I have some thoughts that I really would like y'all's help with. So as we go in here, let me know what you think. Let's go. All right, here we go. So when you open the door, you come right into the living room. Let me back up over here so you can get a good view. It's not very big. It's a relatively small living room. And then it goes right into what would be the kitchen area. And you see the kitchen counter, all the electrical outlets. You have a pantry over here, which is a pretty good sized pantry. Fit a lot of food in there. And the siding, it's pretty rough. You can tell they obviously didn't complete the ceiling in here. That would have to be completed, and who knows about the electrical? I mean, that's gonna have to be tested, and who knows if it's any good. Here's the bathroom. Got a good little mess here on the floor. So right over here, you have the toilet, bathtub, water heater, and let's see, you have a little utility closet here where you can put some towels and other bathroom items there. And then this goes right into the bedroom. It's a pretty good sized bedroom here with a window and plenty of electrical outlets, even if they are in some very strange places at times. And then you have a closet over here. All right, guys, so here's the idea that I have that I need your help with. We're thinking that this ugly blue tiny house needs your help. If we can get 5,000 likes on this video, then we will renovate this whole thing from the ground up. Completely renovate it. We'll tear off the old dingy paneling. We will repaint, we'll put new flooring in. We will make this thing look like a completely new tiny house. And so here's what I need. If that's what you want, if you want to see that, be sure to like this video right now, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next video, because when we do that, we will video the entire process and put that up on this channel for you to watch. Thirdly, comment down below and let us know what you would like to see us do on this tiny house. There's so many different possibilities, so many different things that we could do and change. And so I want to hear what you think. Tell me what you would like to see. If if it's a certain type of flooring, if it's a certain type of walls, I don't really care what it is. You tell me. I want your thoughts. And then maybe we'll incorporate that in the final, when we actually get this thing redone. So let's hear it. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. And guys, I really appreciate y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for following this channel and really being a part of what we have going on here at Atlas. Look forward to talking to y'all soon. Bye.